Okay, maybe this will help then. So this is MNQ. I'm not going to show you my NQ chart because it will get confusing because there's already levels been marked out. But this is what I said to my other person that I did a call with. If this is your first time doing ICC, then all you're doing is just marking out the most recent swing high and swing low on the hourly. So right now, this is the highest price has gotten so far. We're not even going to look to the left to see what kind of trend we're in. We're just focusing on this. This is the highest prices when it's not closed back above. So we want to see hourly closes above this zone. It doesn't matter about these wicks as much, as long as the body closes above. So then when it comes to New York session, because I want to see this in Asia and London, is for this to break, come back, either test the zone and start moving back up. And this all depends on how close to open this is. If open is coming and it's coming a little bit below down here, but doesn't break any of this, or definitely doesn't break this, then I would look for the buys as soon as it comes back to this zone, which is where the tool is. If it just retests it and it's near New York Open, then it gets sometimes a little bit trickier. I'll just wait to see for the first 5 minutes, see if price wants to fake out coming below. And if it does start springing up, then I'll either make the decision to jump in or just leave it. But we've got these two zones. That's all we're working with. So if we want to take sells, we want to see a break of this zone. And all I'm thinking of when I'm doing ICC is if this is where the high is, then we're just traveling back to see where the low has been made, which pushed this high up in the first place. So boom. So if we are waiting for another confirmation now to see if we are bullish, we know it's this, because this was a swing high and this is the swing low down here. So I would already have this marked out. So we can take into consideration now, if we want to trade the very next session, we want price to come to this zone and bounce up. And if this happens during Asia and London, then it gives a higher probability that we are going to continue up bullish unless this level breaks, because this is a key one and this is a key one. For us, marking this on this day, this is the internal range. But this is a good sign if price comes here and respects it, because this is the indication of this high. Then it means if price can come all the way down here and start making its way back up, because right now it looks like during Asia we might just gap down, but knowing that it'll probably gap up. But if it gaps down, respects this, and then fills that gap, then we're more likely to keep traveling up. So this is all context of stuff just from my trading experience. But if you just keep it at pure ICC, you just need to wait for a break above this or a break below this, and then take your next trade, which might happen the next day. So all you have to do is just set an alert and just wait. So sometimes you don't get daily setups, especially if it's your first time marking ICC, because you've got to wait for one of these to break with clear candle closes above or below these two swing points. But if you were trading ICC, or if you just go back now, you can look left to see, did we have any pushes from this level before? Which gives you even more context that once price comes back to this level and we're in an uptrend, then it's more likely that this will get respected and we keep traveling back up for the rest of the week.